Before you buy the next microcap stock, ask yourself a simple question. Do you really know where the return is supposed to come from? Because it sounds exciting, it's not an investment strategy. Here's a simple truth. Stock returns come from just three things: earnings growth, valuation re-rating, and dividends. And most microcaps don't pay dividends. So let's try to focus on the first two. And here's the thing, earnings growth is the real engine. And that has two key drivers. One is sales growth and the second is margin expansion. So the next time you're looking for a microcap, especially that isn't profitable yet, ask these three questions. One, are the sales actually growing? Two, are the margins improving with sale? And three, is there a clear path to sustainable profit? Let me give you a real example. Solar Industries back in early 2000s was a tiny explosive manufacturer, mostly ignored by the market. But a few things stood out. One, India was ramping up infrastructure, mining was growing, and defense spending was starting to rise. Two, sales were growing steadily. It was not hyped, no one-off, and there was consistent growth in profits and revenue. Three, margins improved as they moved up the value chain from industrial explosive to high-tech defense products. Four, they reinvested profits into R&D and exports, unlocking new markets over time. And that is exactly what smart investors saw. And the result, solar industry didn't just survive, it compounded earnings and became 100-bagger over time. All because the business fundamentals were strong and the market eventually caught up. Now here's the shift in mindset. Next time, don't just chase a chart or a story. Understand the business underneath. And at early edge, we focus on logic and not hype. We want to know, where is the return supposed to come from? How will this business actually grow its earning? If you want to invest smarter, follow us along. And hey, let me ask you a question. When you look at a microcap, what is the first thing that you focus on? Let me know in the comments.